start. If x equals to r sin theta cos phi, y equals to r sin theta sin phi, z equals to r cos theta, then x square plus y square plus z square equals to. Now remember, this is a 3-dimensional geometry problem. Generally we have a planar geometry 2-dimensional up to 10th, but this problem is of 3-dimensional, and this formula is of cube, not cube, sphere. Okay, so x square plus y square equals to r sin square theta cos square phi plus r square sin square theta plus cos square phi plus r square sin square theta sin square phi. So take r square sin square theta common. What remains is cos square phi plus sin square phi, that is 1. Okay, so up till now you have got this equals to r square sin square theta. Now x square plus y square plus z square equals to r square sin square theta plus r square cos square theta. Now r square common, you get sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. So it is r square. See here, these formulas have come from this slide. See this slide. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. You can remember this formula.